Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. At present, the Australian dollar is struggling since the break above 70-cent handle. However, technically still holds to a positive scenario, and therefore any weakness should find support around 69.60 where I've outlined it here. While this level holds, then I still feel the call is still up towards the higher side of the range around 70.45 to around 70.95 and reassess from there. The euro also has hit the brakes slightly as it heads towards the 106 level. In light of the rebound over the last 4 days, and therefore the market has respected the 103.40.60 area, let's see if the market can penetrate the push through 106 and move on to about 106.5 to 107. However, the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, has rebounded slightly from 103.28 to 103.40. If we do see a rejection from that top side, then market will view a pullback, and that is towards that key level of 103.40.60. After we're coasting for some time now, that is for dollar yen, for 4 days around this 129, technically we are still negative, and therefore the call is still very much towards 127 figure 45 and reassess from there. Any upside attempts towards 130 should continue to fail. Technically, the market is still somewhat heavy. Seems that sterling's taken a breather since the break of 123.15 as eyes now look towards the UK inflationary number, which is out later today. It is forecasted around 9%, and if we do see that, we could see some whipsaw price action and maybe even a rally up towards 126. But presently, though, the technicals are calling that as we marry up the RSI and MACD to a bullish case. Sterling Kiwi continues to push high and now heading towards 196.80.90 area. A break above there would see an extension, and up towards 198 is a potential target. Keep an eye on sterling. It is mainly that's the driver at the moment that's keeping this market momentum going. Having took the challenge to the top side around 1,800 and just where this trend line comes in around 38 to 40, the market is somewhat breaking down, and from the rejection looking back towards the level of 1,788. We get the confirmation of a close under 1,805 or around 8, then we could see further weakness. Keep an eye on this level of 1,788 as a break would give further indication down towards the region of 1,740. Wrapping up with oil, the market's retreated somewhat since getting closer to that 113, 114 handle. From the retreat, let's see if the market continues, and if so, could see a move back towards the region somewhere around 106. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, go for the interest rate report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.